we are sitting here, that means it's a makeup video. मैंने foundation लगा रखी है. This is one hack which can go wrong. Hi, welcome to me testing weird makeup hacks. We make sure कि this time all the hacks are something जो आप use करोगे if they do actually turn out good. So my queens, let's wear our crown and begin this video. So hack number 1 है cleaning the makeup brushes with a chhanni, which is a tea strainer. Now this is a really good hack because not all of us invest in those makeup brush cleaners, and some people like me, even after investing in makeup brush cleaners, they still don't use it. If this works, it will be a great alternative and a good non-excuse to clean brushes regularly. So now it's time to test it. My brushes are dirty to a point where I think मैंने 2 महीने से नहीं धोए. First मैं सिर्फ इसको गीला कर रही हूँ. थोड़ा सा soap डायरेक्टली ब्रश पे. I'm going to lather it in the chhanni only. Look in the basin. I'll make it a little more wet. It looks fully clean. एक साफ ब्रश ऐसा दिखता है. Now we're gonna put it in the chhanni only directly. I do think इसको एक और बार धोना चाहिए. So just this is a dirty brush and this is a clean brush. My heart is beating a little fast because इसमें 2 बाल इसके निकल गए. These brushes were super expensive. छन्नी के जो ये holes है ना, they're damaging the brush a little bit. बार-बार करने से ये brush को damage तो कर रहा है, but the hack does work. I'm kind of not shocked that this works. Second hack जो हमने pick out करा है is actually curling our hair with a straightener. Let's do it in the end. Let's finish our whole makeup first. I'm celebrating my best friend's birthday after this video. However the makeup turns out, I have to wear it out. अभी eyeshadow करते हैं. If you are on Instagram, you will have seen everybody uses tape to apply eyeshadow, and I've been meaning to try it too, but आलसपन नसीब से आज आया है मुहूर्त. I'm using some paper tape and अपनी lower lash line के एंगल में ही लगाऊंगी. ये सही है क्या? I have no clue. हंसो मत मेरे पे. I'll go in with this color. जो orangish and brown tones बहुत पसंद है. So the perfect color to try with this hack. अभी तो एकदम evenly blended लग रहा है. Why don't we take ये दोनों shades का mixture and put them at the corner? Smaller brush would be better. I am too excited to take out the tape because I have a feeling कि result ना बहुत अच्छा निकला है. But before we take the tape out, let's do one more hack of eyeliner. But what if you're traveling और आपको ज़्यादा makeup carry ना करना हो? The next hack is of trying a mascara like an eyeliner. For this, I'm going to use my trusty L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. This is the tube and that's the wand. We're going to take थोड़ा mascara and just go with it. I feel like the pigmentation is bang on, but truth तो निकाल के पता चलेगा. It's gliding. I think we're finally ready to remove the tape. Finishing of the outer area will be the test कि second hack work करा है कि नहीं, and the pigmentation. Just how the eyeliner is looking will be the test of the third hack. 3, 2, ow. Look at this eye. Wow, bro. Hack number 2 and 3 have excelled in this, but this one, the mascara worked beautifully, but tape बराबर नहीं लगा था तो वो leak हो गया बाहर. We're simply going to take an earbud. I can't believe ये अपने eyes हैं. They look beautiful. This next hack is the first hack जिसका मुझे ज़्यादा value नहीं लग रहा है. This hack wants us to take some hot water and dip our mascara into it to get better texture. Now, I've been using this one for easily say 3 महीने. I know how it makes me feel. This is the perfect mascara to try this hack. थर्मोस में थोड़ा गर्म पानी लाई हूँ. Now let's take our mascara, dip it in for a few seconds. Ready to go. ये right eye पे करके देखते हैं. This is literally one coat of mascara, one freaking coat, and see the difference. इतना लंबा lash है. ऐसा लग रहा है false lashes लगाया यार. I would say this hack works, but I'd like to give the major credit to the mascara only because this mascara has been my favorite since the time I tried it. I think around November, December में everybody was raving about this mascara. I'm not looking back since then. As per the result, you will know that the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara actually lengthens and gives an intense effect by gliding on the lashes very smoothly. It actually lifted it, enhanced it, and that's what makeup is about. It has a really good consistency and difference तो दिख ही रहा है. Dramatic effect का credit brush को भी जाता है because it's a soft wavy bristle brush which has 200 plus bristles, and that's what holds maximum of the product. Because fluttery effect is a one coat effect. There's no clumping, there's no flaking. Mainly this has different caring oils which make the formula what it is, and it's good for the lashes. That's why I think it's super long lasting. I think this hack has made me the happiest. If there's one mascara I'm applying on my birthday too, it's gonna be this. The next hack is actually why मैंने left eye अभी तक नहीं करा है. For making sure कि mascara doesn't get on your eyelids. Although I have not faced this problem, but we're still going to try it and see कि sticky note पे कितना mascara आता है. Put it on our face, which I don't want to. मैं सिर्फ पकड़ने वाली हूँ because I don't want to ruin this amazing eyeliner and eyeshadow we've done. Look at the sticky note. इस पे मस्कारा तो है, so technically it works. I think ये बहुत आड़ा आता है यार. We done. So I was actually worried कि how is the makeup gonna turn out and मैं बाहर कैसे जाऊँगी ऐसे में. But I honestly think कि अपने normal से काफी better लग रहा है आज. क्या liner है? कौन बोलेगा ये अपन ने किया है? Now comes this infamous hack of contouring using a tweezer. It's only a nose hack and I don't usually contour my nose. Just taking this shade. Let's go. It's not showing up. I think मुझे liquid लेना पड़ेगा. Some dark foundation. It literally looks like dirt है मेरे face पे. This is one hack which I think can go wrong. I feel like अब अच्छा लग रहा है. थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. Just take some light concealer. This hack does work. It was actually easier to do it, but I don't think this works with powder. I think this works only with liquid. Next hack, earbud को मुंह में पकड़ना ताकि उससे लिपस्टिक ढंग से लगे. किस प्रकार का हैक है? So I went and bought. I don't have to talk with this in my mouth. Picked up the darkest liquid lipstick I have. It's this super deep brown shade. I have to bite the earbud. I am shook because I thought that this hack will be useless. छोटू flaw I have is corners तो रह ही जाएगी ना क्योंकि उधर earbud. The rest of the lips have actually turned out really well. I think इसका logic क्या है कि because you're biting the earbud, आपका inside of the lip भी बराबर expose हो रहा है so that you can apply lipstick on it. Wow, wow. But we are going to take off the lipstick because it's not going with this makeup look. Okay, next is spoon को use करना contouring के लिए, but we've actually done that before. So we're going to modify it too. Brush को यहाँ पे रख के contouring करना. Placing the brush here and we're going for it. I think मेरे contour powder में कुछ problem है. We need to get new ones. हाँ, ये साइड फिर भी आया है. Whoa, I think this looks fabulous. It works. क्या वीडियो है ये? All the hacks have worked so far, but unfortunately आज I cannot apply any blush or any highlighter because उसके hacks नहीं ढूंढ पाई मैं. Then we have to apply lip balm as eyebrow gel. For that I have this transparent सा lip balm and this spoolie brush. That took us like 5 seconds. Dude, do you know the amount of money I've spent on transparent mascaras? If you're just starting makeup na, this is a beautiful hack. Amazing. Needless to say, इस वाले को भी बड़ा वाला forehead मिलता है. It worked like magic. Now I think we're on the second last hack. I wanted to continue this yaar. I am so upset. This is last makeup hack because this does not look good to me. And if this goes wrong, which it totally can, I will look so funny. Basically, अपने को dark concealer या foundation से अपने lips को overline करना है. Then we have to blend this. And finally इसको छुपाने के लिए lip gloss या कुछ लगाना है. So I've bought this tinted pink lip gloss with me. Oh my god, again I look like I've done a lip job. Nothing wrong with nose jobs and lip jobs, but I'm not mentally prepared now to look like this. As now we move on to hair. I'm actually loving our hair आज. मैंने blow dry करे थे मैंने से एकदम. But for the purpose of this video we have to try this. I'm just going to test कि ये गर्म हुआ है कि नहीं. हाँ, हो गया. Since I like outward curls, let's twist this outside. Let's go on this with a straightener. जान चल रही है मेरी ये करने को. What if this burns our hair? ज़्यादा मुझसे नहीं पकड़ा जाएगा. हल्का हल्का सा कर्ल है. चलो let's try more पतला section. ये सेक्शन ना बहुत अच्छे से कर्ल हुआ है. This hack works, but for me it did not work. बड़े-बड़े quantities में जैसे वीडियो में दिखाया है. It does work अगर अपन छोटे-छोटे sections ले तो. This is the final look. All of these things are from the hack. So अगर आपको कुछ भी पसंद आया hack, you can use it. Also, I would highly recommend to check out the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. इसका link description box में definitely होगा. And I will be giving you a check-in of like intervals.
So we just had lunch. This is the makeup update. Lip gloss is gone because खाना खाते तो निकल गया. Especially the mascara is going strong. Another mini check-in with now at Madras Cafe. It's 9 hours now and this is what people call Garma Garam Filter Coffee. Hi, it's 11:20 in the night. We've just almost finished dinner and this I think will be the final check-in. 12 plus 2.5, 14 and a half hours. We're still going pretty strong. My eyeliner is not budged because there was a mascara.
If you enjoyed watching this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you did not enjoy this video, pin that, give it a thumbs down. I will see you in a brand new video very soon. Until then, goodbye!